To pay with a Revolut virtual card, you first need to have a Revolut account and the Revolut app installed on your device. If you don't have an account, download the app and sign up by following the in-app instructions. Once you have your account, navigate to the Cards section in the app and select Add a new card. Choose the virtual card option and follow the prompts to create your virtual card. Your virtual card will be instantly generated with its own unique card details, including a card number, expiration date, and security code. You can use these details to make online payments, just like you would with a physical card. To make a payment, go to the website or app of the merchant you want to pay. Select the payment method as credit or debit card, and enter the details of your virtual card. Make sure to enter the details correctly, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. If the merchant requires you to enter the cardholder's name, use the name you registered with Revolut. Once you have entered the details, confirm the payment and the amount will be deducted from your Revolut account. You can also use your virtual card for recurring payments, such as subscription services. To do this, simply enter the virtual card details when setting up the subscription, and the payment will be taken automatically on the due date. It is also important to keep in mind that you can freeze and unfreeze your virtual card at any time, which can help prevent unauthorized transactions if your card details are compromised. To freeze your card, go to the Cards section in the app, select the virtual card, and toggle the freeze button. In addition, you can also generate a new virtual card at any time, which will replace your old card details with new ones. This can be useful if you have made a payment on a website that you no longer trust, or if you have entered your card details on a public computer. Overall, using a Revolut virtual card is a convenient and secure way to make online payments, and can help protect you from fraud and unauthorized transactions.